Hey everybody, it's Mike Frieder with On-Call Compliance Solutions, and I'm back with another compliance tip of the week. This week we're talking about CMMC Control SI.L1-3.14.4. Oh, we're getting there. Update malicious code protection mechanisms when new releases are available. I love the easy ones. So hey, if you're a defense contractor who's feeling overwhelmed, tired, and alone, trying to understand all this CMMC, DFARS, and NIST SP 800-171 compliance stuff on top of an already colossal workload, well, I've got great news for you because you found your home here at On-Call Compliance Solutions, where we can help you transform into your company's on-call compliance hero. Let's jump into it. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Should be automatic. I love this control. But is it? No. Your team should be verifying and documenting on a periodic basis that patches and updates are in fact being installed and updates are successful on a periodic basis. You just can't trust automation. I promise. Ask anyone who's ever lost data in a backup. Okay, it was set up, it was automated, didn't really quite work long term. All right, you gotta verify it. This stuff does require a human touch. Let's see what the assessors are looking for on this one. It's pretty straightforward. Just one thing they're looking for is determine if malicious code protection mechanisms are updated when new releases are available. And what they're going to want to do, they're going to want to actually see your system, and you're going to have to show them that updates have in fact been applied on time and there's something that's automating that. So if we were to give a sample answer, we'd say, hey, it's implemented, it's enforced and monitored via the endpoint management update, automatic updates, and verified by IT humans every so often, right? So an answer like that would work just fine. Now, if you're not sure what endpoint management system to use, if you are trying to figure out exactly what will satisfy these controls from a tech stack perspective, or even if you're a CEO or a CIO who's just really trying to figure out how to get this whole thing solved quickly, the great news is that On Call, we work with defense contractors just like you who've had this DFARS, NIST, ITAR, and CMMC compliance stuff dropped right in their laps like a seagull on a sunny day. And we teach you how to level up and be a proper on-call compliance hero for your company, eliminating gaps, gray areas, and getting this solved, all while showing you how to leverage compliance as your secret weapon to land more defense work with higher profit margins. Now that's what becoming an on-call compliance hero can do for you. If you're looking for more help getting compliant, our compliance experts are always on call for you. Visit cmmccompliancesecrets.com or check out the bio below for links to get help right now. If you love the content we're putting out here for you, help us out with a big thumbs up on that like button, or even better, you guessed it, smash that subscribe button to get the latest compliance content as soon as our compliancers roll it out. Until the next compliance tip, my friends, stay safe and secure out there, and hit us in the comments below to let us know what you'd like to know more about when it comes to information security and compliance. I'll see you on the next one.